Hi guys, welcome back to Arpit and Johan Trades. This is day 2 of us trading every single day until we're profitable. Right now, Johan's currently shifting houses, so he's taking a little break for trading. So I'll be looking after the YouTube channel for now. Probably won't do any trading tomorrow because I've got Christmas dinner with my family. But today we just did a little back testing session. So I realized that I actually wasn't trading Nathaniel's strategy how he was trading. um, was a little bit different. I would wait for an inverse fair value gap and a fair value gap to line up, and then I would base my entry off a liquidity sweep. And the annoying thing about that was it's kind of hard to find setups because I'd have to wait for a retest of the inverse fair value gap or the fair value gap. Whereas Nathaniel, he just takes it straight as soon as a inverse fair value gap is formed, and that's where his entry is based on. So here we had an inverse fair value gap on the 3 minute time frame, and as soon as it broke, you would enter. So I'm currently following his trading entry criteria, and it's taking me a while to understand it, but we're getting better. So far the stats say that his strategy is unprofitable, but I'm not trading his strategy perfectly. There's still a lot for me to learn. For example, today I learned about uh, equal highs and equal lows, which basically meant that there's an extra presence of liquidity. So there's liquidity, there's resting orders filled up over here, and then it's confirmed again. So there's going to be a large number of resting orders above this equal high. I also learned about low resistance liquidity today, and that's all about pretty much, this is a really bad example because there's no actual shift, and this could all just be, consolidation. But if this was maybe a weekly time frame, this was something we call low resistance liquidity, because you would have liquidity there, didn't get hit, and then another liquidity there, didn't get hit, and then another liquidity here, really badly drawn, but you get the idea. So there's a ton of resting orders in this price range up here, which is basically what low resistance liquidity has. So that's what you'd classify as a draw of liquidity. So the market's going to be kind of attracted up here because there's lots of liquidity resting there, and the market moves by creating liquidity and filling orders such a way. So here we had an equal high. This is a really bad example again because of not there being enough good enough retest, but we had this equal high as our draw of liquidity. We had a liquidity sweep right here. We inversed the 3 minute fair value gap. We're delivering off the 1 minute fair value gap. Haven't drawn it out, but this is the 1 minute fair value gap and the 3 minute fair value gap. So valid trade, really valid trade. Just unfortunately ended up being a loser. So that's how Nathaniel's been trading, and I'm going to try really understand how he's been trading. There's still quite a lot of confluences that I need to understand. For example, what classifies as good momentum, or what is a sharp reversal pattern, like that just varies from trader to trader. So I'm really gonna have to take some time back testing and just going into lots of trades and trying to do this to the best of my ability, and also tweaking it so it makes sense to me rather than just full on copying someone else. But that's what we did today. Spent a lot of time back testing, around 4 hours. So I'm gonna end the day here. But yeah, catch you guys tomorrow.